students. Today I will teach you animal tissue. Actually, animal tissues are of four major types: epithelial tissue or covering tissue, connective tissue or supportive tissue, muscular tissue or contractile tissue, and last one is a nervous tissue. In this video, we will discuss only epithelial tissue and connective tissue. Now, epithelial tissue. This is thin protective tissue which cover the surface of body and lines the internal organs. It means that it's आवर बॉडी का जो हम लोग का ऊपर का जो लेयर है, आउटर जो सरफेस है, और इंटरनल ऑर्गन जैसे स्टमक है, लीवर है, किडनी है, उसका जो आउटर लाइनिंग है, दैट इज अ मेड फ्रॉम अ epithelial tissue. Now epithelial tissues are four types: squamous, cuboidal, columnar and ciliated. Now squamous tissue is a flat like cell, and these cells fit closely and like the brick inner wall, and it is found in the outer layer of the skin and cover internal cavity, tongues, esophagus and the lining of mouth. Cuboidal epithelium. These cells look like a square in section and free surface appear hexagon, and its main function is that it lines the inside of the kidney tubules and salivary glands, and the function of this tissue is a secretion and absorption. And now columnar epithelium. It is a single layer common like cells, and its main function is that found in the inner lining of alimentary canal, and the function is secretion and absorption, and it also provide mechanical support. Here mechanical supports means that कि वो सपोर्ट करता है, जैसे हम लोग जंप करते हैं, दौड़ते हैं, तो हमारा जो भी इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स है वो अपने पोजीशन पे वो रहते हैं, उन्हें कोई हार्म नहीं होता है. दैट इज़ अ मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट. ना सिलिएटेड एपिथेलियम. Ciliated epithelium. This is its outer growth is like a cilia, and ciliated epithelium help in the movement of ova in the fallopian tube and movement of a mucus in the respiratory tract. This is a diagram of a squamous epithelium. This is a diagram of cuboidal, and this is a columnar, and this is a cilium. This is a cilia, ciliated, and this is a cilia hair-like structure that is helpful in the movement of a ova and a mucus in the respiratory tract. Connective tissue. It is a widely spaced embedded in an intercellular matrix, and basic functions are support to different organs and keeping them in a place. It support करता है और हमारे सारे organs को अपने position पे रखता है. Now connective tissues are of three types: connective tissue proper, skeleton tissue and fluid tissue. Now connective tissue proper is a five types: areolar tissue, adipose tissue, white fibrous tissue, yellow elastic tissue and reticular tissue. Now areolar tissue, it support internal organ and help in the repair of a tissue. It is a main function, it's a help in the repair of a damaged tissue. Adipose tissue, it store fat and act as a insulator. Actually this tissue is found below the skin and between internal organ, and but too much of this tissue makes a person fat, and animal living in cold climates have a lot of this tissue to protect them from a cold. Example, penguin, polar bear, all these have a lots of a adipose tissue. Now white fibrous tissue. This tissue form a cord called a tendon which connect muscles with a bone. हमारे बॉडी में जो बोन्स के साथ मसल्स जो अटैच रहते हैं ड्यू टू वाइट फाइब्रस टिश्यू. नाउ येलो इलास्टिक टिश्यू. इट फॉर्म्स कॉर्ड कॉल्ड लिगामेंट विच ज्वाइन बोन्स टूगेदर. हम लोग का जो भी बोन ज्वाइंट है एक दूसरे, जैसे नी के पास है, एल्बो के पास है, एंकल के पास है, जो भी बोन जो मूवेबल बोन है, जो ज्वाइंट है, वो इसी टेंडन यही लिगामेंट से क्या कर रहता है, वो कनेक्ट रहता है, वो ज्वाइंट रहता है. ना रेटिकुलर टिश्यू. दिस टिश्यू प्रेजेंट इन द स्प्लीन, लिवर, bone etc. Now skeleton tissue. Skeletal tissue is of two types, cartilage and bone. Cartilage composed of protein slightly hardened by calcium salt. Actually, cartilage is present in the ear, nose, all these places are made up of a cartilage. Now bone, it is strengthened by fiber and hardened by calcium and phosphorus. Now last is a fluid tissue. Fluid tissues are of two types, blood and lymph. Actually in our body there are two types of a fluid flowing. One is a blood and the second is a lymph. Now in blood there are divided into two parts, blood corpuscles and lymph. एक्चुअली ब्लड को अगर हम छानते हैं, जैसे चाय को अगर हम छानते हैं सीप से, तो क्या होता है, जो भी छानते समय जो भी आपका ऊपर की तरफ बच गया दैट इज़ अ ब्लड कॉर्पस्कल्स, और जो नीचे गिर गया दैट इज़ अ लिम्फ, एंड लिम्फ इज़ 55%. नाउ ब्लड कॉर्पस्कल्स इज ऑफ ए थ्री टाइप्स, RBC which is red color and carries oxygen and carbon dioxide. Its function is carries oxygen and carbon dioxide. It is red in color due to presence of a hemoglobin. Now WBC, white blood corpuscles, is main function is a defense against infections. Now platelets, this help in the clotting of a blood. Lymph, एक्चुअली लिम्फ इज ए स्ट्रॉ कलर, हल्का सा ये येलोइश कलर का रहता है. इट डज नॉट हैव RBC एंड ए प्रोटीन. इन लिम्फ देयर इज ए मोस्टली WBC इज प्रेजेंट, एंड WBC हेल्प इन डिफेंस अगेंस्ट इन्फेक्शन, एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल इन अ ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ अ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. नाउ देयर इज ए सम असाइनमेंट्स फॉर यू. And that's all for today.